My family's never made a fortune. It's probably too late now. Oh, but I don't worry about that much. You see, I'm happy anyhow. As I go along life's journey, I'm reaping better than what I've sowed. I'm drinking from my saucer because my cup is overflowed. I don't have a lot of riches. Sometimes the going's tough, but I've got a friend in Jesus, and that makes me rich enough. I thank God for all his blessings on me and the mercy he's bestowed. I'm drinking from my saucer because my cup is overflowed. So Lord, help me not to grumble or complain about these tough roads that I have hoed. I'm drinking from my saucer because my cup is overflowed. And if I should go on living, if the way gets steep and rough, I'm already blessed enough. And if I should go on living and the way gets steep and rough, I'll not ask for other blessings. I'm already blessed enough. And may I never be too busy, oh Lord, to help another bear his load. I'll keep drinking from my saucer because my cup is overflowed.